Here is a wonderful 2018 Lincoln MKC. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Performance, luxury, versatility. That's what this sleek MKC delivers. From its connected tech to its premium amenities to its alluring style, this compact SUV is poised to infuse every drive with inspiration. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera, multi-zone AC, Bluetooth connection. Don't miss the chance to drive an SUV that's both capable and luxuriously comfortable. This MKC brings you that and more. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.